how hibiscus leaf may help fight melanoma cancer. A new study has suggested that hibiscus leaf may help treat melanoma. Institute of Food Technologists, IFT's study found that hibiscus sativarifa leaf polyphenolic extract, HLP, may induce human melanoma cell death and may serve as a chemotherapeutic agent to eliminate cancer cells without significant harmful effects to normal cells. Hibiscus leaf is consumed as a vegetable served in sauces or soups in Africa. The findings of this study support the idea that cancer patients may benefit from consuming HLP as a complementary medicine to their treatments. Melanoma is highly curable if caught early, but is much more likely than other forms of skin cancer to spread if left untreated. The study appears in the Journal of Food Science. Arnie.